Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to set up taxes on Shopify. And before we get started, there are three different tax rules on Shopify. So basically how you can charge your Shopify sales tax on your store. You have one, which is tell Shopify where to collect sales tax. You have second, which is to set up Shopify tax calculations. And then you have third, which is to set up tax overrides for Shopify. Now, here are top 3 best Shopify tax apps. If you want, you can implement those and you can install either TaxJar or Quaderno or Avalara, which for me, TaxJar is the best. You can set that up, set up your taxes much more quicker with your extension, which is called TaxJar. So, but let's see how we can set this up. So you can first tell Shopify where to collect sales tax. You can go to your settings, and from your settings, you have taxes. From your taxes, in the tax regions section, besides the United States, click Setup. Now, this needs to be if you're in the United States. If you're maybe in Europe, Italy, or something like that, you can set up with in Italy. And then what you can do is obviously you can add a sales tax, collect sales tax. Once you click Collect Sales Tax, you'll need to set up your sales tax. Therefore, you need to fill in your state ID, name, and sales tax ID. Now, if you have applied for sales tax ID but you don't have one, then leave this field blank. You can update it when you receive the sales tax ID. Second is set up Shopify tax calculations. Now, you can set up Shopify tax calculations by, again, going here on the setup. Here, as you can see, once you're finished filling the information in the tax region section, you can move next to the section called tax calculations. This is this section right here. Here, as you can see, there are 4 options for you to choose from. You can tick more than one box, so make sure to tick one or more boxes. If your business is located in state where tax laws regarding shipping vary, for example, California, Colorado, Florida, then you need to choose whether you want to charge tax on shipping. So just make sure to fill this out or consult with someone within your state. Now, after that, you need to set up tax overrides. Now, after that, what you can go is you can go to Products, Collections, Create Collection, and you can name collection whatever you want. But as you can see here, you have collection type. So manual, this is basically if you want to add products to this collection one by one. And then as you can see, you can add product overrides. So you can create the overrides. Go to the settings, then navigate to taxes and tax override section, and then you can click on add product override. Here, after you click on add product override, you can go here and you can basically, need to select the collection you've just created, which is right here that I showed you how to create a section or collection. And then here, you'll need to enter the tax rate for the collection in that region. So again, it's a little bit complicated, but you will need to go and basically set this up with either your accountant or someone within your state. Next up, obviously, TaxJar is great if you want to go and for $90 a month, you can already do a lot when it comes to taxes. So you can also install that as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys find this video useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.